Hey cuties! So I just finished shampooing my crochets. I wanted to come to you real quick and do a video about what protective styling is for. The main purpose is to protect the hair underneath. We want to be cute, we want to be fly, yes, but we also want to protect our hair. So whether you have braids, whether you have weave, whether you have crochets, I want you to make sure that you're doing your maintenance. You want to shampoo, okay? At least once a week. You want to make sure you condition. I'm about to deep condition. Got to get that moisture in there. But you want to also make sure that you're drying thoroughly. Sit under the dryer, use a hair dryer. If you're going to air dry, make sure you open up the sections and make sure that everything is completely dry, because we don't want any mildew. We're not about that mildew life. It is a serious problem. But that's it. Protective styling is for the maintenance of the hair. I'm about to go finish unless somebody wants to come do it for me. Have a good day.